out for a run. It is 0 degrees and very chilly. We ran all the way to Tim Hortons, got ourselves breakfast and a coffee, and now we're heading back.
Where to?
Want top 50? So I am here at Valley Village at my favorite store looking for some items for my closet. This is my go-to place, more than Aritzia. There's a few things on my list, including an oversized blazer, early men's. I would like some, those camp counselor t-shirts, the really thick ones. What else is on my list? Oh, blazer and a leather jacket. Ideally, that oversized men's look. So I'll be shopping in the men's section today and hopefully be able to find some cool things to show you later. So far, it's been a flop in the t-shirt section. Everything is really thin and not really nice. So we're just gonna head over to the denim section. Ooh, hats. Any cool vintage style? No. I should totally bring this cap to Paris, even though I've totally forgotten all the French from high school. Here we go. Look for that oversized leather blazer. This is a nice color. I like this. I think this would look really good. This is the demise of thrift stores where you just get really cheap quality stuff like Shein, and it's not great. I do think this is very cute. It's got very Korean interior style vibes to this painting. Picture these in some really cool LA Instagram vintage shot with Charlotte. How cute is this salt and pepper set? The pear is a pepper grinder. What is that? I don't know. Oh, it's Han Solo. These are so freaking funky, although they also give me a little bit of anxiety the way they're standing. This teacup set is a pretty good deal. I don't know why it doesn't come in a set, but it's really cute if you want to do like, coffee TikToks and stuff. This one's quite cute. Let's see what it looks like with a candle on it. Can you imagine this in my house? Do you see this? It's okay. I'm looking for a brutalist candle holder, and this looks a bit too new. Last but not least, we're heading to the accessory section. I still have not given up hope in finding a Chanel bag here. This is a cute bag, but the price ain't too cute. I'm actually on the hunt for some Y2K 90 style bags. It caught my eye, but the material feels really cheap, so it's gonna be a pass for me, although I love this shape. This is actually kind of cute. I like this one because it says Location, location, location. I like this one. Look, it's dark green. So sick. I like this dark green.
Color is like a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10 only?
The fit
This is more
and
like an 8.5.
the quality of the neckline, not that great.
But it's used.
But like it's used by you know who. You don't know who it is. Could be like a dead guy.
Oversized.
Look at the back though first.
No, this is why I like it.
That's pretty
Funny.
cool.
I can wear it backwards.
Yeah.
I feel like I've seen something like this on Net-a-Porter from Cult Guy or something. It's cute.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
This is so cute. Look at this. What would you rate this?
7.
7?
Negative 7.
I'd rate this 9 out of 10. This blazer is made in Canada and only 17 Canadian bucks. This is giving me Italian gangster vibes, but I think I like the other one more. Fits quite nicely as an oversized woman's blazer. Look at the address. Sayong Choi Gai, Kowloon, Hong Kong. It's meant to be. The seams are enclosed with this bias binding. It's really nice. Shopping with us.
Time keeps slipping us by, waiting on the wind and the waves in the sky, hoping for a swell, maybe 4 or 5. Barbarian days keep us alive and singing. Catch it, gotta ride it, getting barrel.
Here at Trinity Bellwoods in full bloom.
Gotta claim it. That's a wipeout. So paddle back out to the break. The surf's looking mighty fine. Sunset to the Pagan County line. Speed down PCH to get there in time. Swim out past the drums to make it to the takeoff. Catch it, gotta ride it. Getting barrel deep inside it. Patrick Swayze, Johnny Utah, get off my way, or else we're gonna.
Yep, number 1. I was cleaning out teenage Sam's high school bedroom, and lo and behold, I found this, which is a Olympus film camera. My dad helped me to purchase some film and helped me load it because I totally forgot how to load film cameras anymore. And I'll be taking this with me to Paris. We'll be heading over there this weekend. For this trip, I don't plan on bringing a lot of my Instagram dresses. I do plan to bring a lot more of the thrift finds, so come pack with me. Oh, side note, I won't be uploading a vlog next week as I'll be in Paris and I just want to enjoy my time there. So I'll see you in 2 weeks' time.
2 steps and you're off so far away, far away. Whoa. I see that you put your differences aside.